Hello and welcome to this special interview with the cast and director of Life of Pi. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. So, Ang Lee, welcome to India. How is it? I mean, you've been here for a long time doing the research for this film. How has the journey been?
The journey is really enjoyable journey and very educational too. The first few times traveling here is about research and writing the script. Movies has to be more authentic than a book, I think, because you have to see them. So I was doing research and try to write a script so they can be like reasonable characters on the screen. And then I checked the facility, how is it like to make movies here, and casting in the pre-production. Then I shot the movie in Pondicherry with most of the crew come from here and Chennai. So that was a significant shooting I had in Pondicherry and Munnar. And then these people go with me to Taiwan to do more filmmaking. And some of the post-productions are here too.
Great pie chart you got yourself here. I mean, there's Tabu, there's Irfan, there's Suraj, he's the new one. I mean, is he the new Frida Pinto or Dev Patel? I mean, after this film releases?
I hope he's the future of Indian cinema. I hope.
I've already started getting call for him. Do you have his number? Do you know Bollywood?
Okay.
Do you have his number? How can we meet him? I said okay.
With the two of you, Tabu and Irfan, I mean, you have done some great work together. I mean, even if you talk about crossover cinema. So how was it different from working with, say, Ang Lee here?
I think he's one of the best director in the world. I never imagined that I would be part of his film. When I was doing the film which was Pi for me was Warrior, 12 years back. And the director from London, Asif Kapadia, I asked him, do you have some films? I want to watch some films. He said, have you seen Ang Lee's films? I said, no. So he gave me, Eat, Drink, Man, Woman and Ice Storm. Ice Storm is the best film. And I saw it and I fell in love. And after that, I never missed any of his film, except Lust and Caution, which I took from him and I watched it.
Yeah.
And I never imagined, I never thought that I'll get the chance to work with him. And I think it's like magic, the way it's happened. And also, it's not just for me. I think it's for Indian industry, which is happening. It's such an interesting thing that Ang has to come to India. He chooses a story which is about India, about Indian people, and he makes a film which is like cinema at its best. You will definitely hear comments like, I've heard comments like, people who have seen the film in New York, that you have never seen 3D like that. There's a lot of people talking about that, and we are so fortunate, and I think it's the Indian audience's desire to see fresh cinema which is manifesting like that. That films are coming to India, and we are being part of that.
Same with me. It was a dream come true when I was watching Crouching Tiger, and this is my story. For a moment I said to myself, I really wish I can work with Ang Lee someday, I don't know when. And then the thought vanished, and I thought maybe you never know when these things are going to happen or ever going to happen. And I get this email that Life of Pi is being made and Ang Lee is making it and they're coming, and I had to really is this true, And I immediately went to the book in my head and I was like, okay, Life of Pi, and there's this family, and it's definitely the mother's role, and I'm okay with it. I knew
young children.
What was happening.
My mother.
When you were very small. And I went and met him, and he didn't speak much, and I also didn't speak much, and we sat quietly for about an hour. And that's it. And that was done. And I was like, wow, this is really, really big, because I really wanted to be part of the vision of this person who made films like Crouching Tiger, Brokeback Mountain, Eat, Drink, Man, Woman, Sense and Sensibility. And as an actor, as an artist, it's a high point for me as a personal experience, you know, because after a point you want to grow in personal experiences, and you grow when you work with somebody who's that evolved in the creative field.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.